Welcome to this instructional video where we'll guide you through the process of installing the Engage HF app and creating your account. Follow along to discover how this app can revolutionize your heart failure management.
To use the app, you will receive an email invitation to join a study led by .hf Collaborative Network. The email will also include a link for you to download the app. Depending on the type of smartphone you have, you can download the app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. After you have installed the app on your phone, you can sign up using the same email address given in the invitation. Just enter your first and last name, email, and make a special password. Once you have received the confirmation email for your registration, you can log into the app using the email and password you created during sign-up. If you forget your password at any time, don't worry. You can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password button. A new link will be sent to your email, and you can use that link to set up a new password.
Once you log in, you will be asked to watch an introduction video. When you first sign in, you will be asked to choose a time of day to receive your daily notifications. You can also set up alarms for your heart medications at different times throughout the day. Now, it's time to connect your Omron blood pressure cuff and weight scale with the app. To link the Engage HF app with Omron devices, you should start by downloading the Omron Connect app. If you have an Apple device, you can find it on the Apple Store. For Android devices, it is available on the Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you should sign up by entering your name, email, and creating a strong password. After that, you will receive an email to confirm and verify your account. Now, you can log in using your email and password. Once you have logged in, the app will ask you to connect your devices. Start with the blood pressure device. Follow these steps carefully. First, make sure your Omron device is turned off and placed close to your phone. Next, press and hold the transfer button or the Bluetooth button on your Omron blood pressure cuff for 3 to 5 seconds. When you see a flashing P on the device screen, release the button. This means your device is ready to pair. In the app, click Next to start pairing. The app will search for nearby devices, so keep your Omron device within 10 feet of your phone. Once the app finds your blood pressure cuff, select it to begin pairing. The app will request permission to access your phone's location for Bluetooth communication with Omron devices. They don't collect or use your location data. Once you give permission, your blood pressure cuff will be paired with the Omron app and ready for use. If you need to add a new device or if you get disconnected, go to your profile and find the Connected Devices tab. Tap on it and then select the Add New Device button to choose the weight scale. Keep your weight scale near your phone. Tap Begin Pairing to start. On your weight scale, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you see a flashing P on the scale. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone settings, and your weight scale is within 10 feet of your phone. Your device is now connected. You will be able to see both of your devices in the Omron Connect app. Now, let's go back to the Engage HF app. Tap on Grant Access to connect the Engage HF app with the Omron Connect app. Log into the Omron Connect app using your username and password. Once you are logged in, give permission to access your data from here. That's it. Everything is ready, and now you can start using the Engage HF app.
If you have any questions about the app, you can contact us through email. You can also visit our website for additional educational content.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.